Most irrigation systems don't fail because of sensors. They fail because of wiring. On large farms, cables break, signals drop, and maintenance costs keep rising. That's the real reason water efficiency stays below 50%. We solve this with our Valtoris LoRa DTU. It replaces long RS-485 wiring with stable LoRa wireless communication, covering up to 2 to 3 kilometers across open fields. Using LoRa to RS-485 Modbus conversion, soil moisture, temperature, and pH data are sent in real time to the cloud, even in harsh outdoor conditions. In one 500-acre project, water efficiency increased by 50% and labor costs dropped by 35%. We design and manufacture these industrial-grade LoRa DTUs in-house with custom configurations for large-scale farms. If you're searching for a reliable LoRa DTU manufacturer, talk to us before you redesign your wiring again.